Right. So before we discuss the other topics, there is one more concept left here. So we can, by default, Jmeter provides us the features, but still there are some additional plugins where you can download and import it into Jmeter directory, and you can see them reflecting here. For example, if you follow my instructions till now, see that thread group uh, in your machine, because I hope you have downloaded Jmeter by this time, and once do this navigation and check, you will not find these two options, stepping and ultimate thread group. Okay, and also in the results, listeners, you will not see this JP at the rate of GC, all these. Okay, these are basically the additional plugins to which brings flexibility for us. If you want to watch the hits per second listener report, before we have seen throughput and deviation stuff, right? If you want to see how many hits happening per second, so these will not come by default. So still there are many like this. If you want this, you have to download some additional plugins from Jmeter official site, and you have to import it in your Jmeter directory, so that you will start seeing this additional plugin. But there is one cool feature called stepping thread group, which we will see in this session. So before that, let's see how we can download that additional jar files into our Jmeter. So just Google them saying I just downloaded Jmeter plugins, and this is the link, the first one. Here you have the different type of links. Select them what all you require. If you want to know them before download, click on package contents and see what all additional plugins you get. So response time over time, active threads, server hits, thread groups. So now I am willing to talk about stepping thread group in this session. So if I download this plugin, I will get this feature. Okay, you just download. There are same other set. You have WebDriver set, Selenium, which you will see in the next coming modules. I have taken this. Okay, Hadoop. If you are working on Hadoop plugins, Hadoop related websites. So there are many. So if it is an open source, it will be a ocean. Okay, there are many things will be there, but there are only few things which you really need to complete your work. Okay, if you are concentrating on web applications, then you need not know everything here, right? But still we will try to cover maximum things. I'll teach about this WebDriver set as well as extras with lib set in the coming modules. Okay, right now download this, click on download, so it will get downloaded like this, Jmeter plugins. So it will come basically in zip format, I guess. One second. Okay, go to C drive and extract it. It will come in a zip format. Extract it, then you will see it as yeah, it will in this folder. Open this folder, go to the lib directory of your downloads, extract, copy all those 4 jars. Okay, copy these 4 jars from your downloaded zip file and come back to C drive, and here go to your Jmeter installation folder. In Jmeter, place it in library folder, and you see here ext, right? Extensions, these are basically extensions. So additional extensions, you need to place those 4 jars, paste it here. I already have it, you can see it here, 1 2 3 4. So place those 4 jars in the Apache Jmeter lib ext folder. Okay, after that restart your Apache Jmeter. Okay, immediately you will not see here, you need to restart it. So once you restart, then right click, add thread group, you will see something called stepping thread group and ultimate thread group. Okay, so now let's click on the stepping thread group. Okay, it's separate thread group just like that. These have some limited features. Okay, what all we can give here is how many you want to run, how to ramp up, and what is the loop count. but in stepping thread group it actually simulates the real time environments. See, step by step, let's see that based upon values I change here, graph also will get changed. Let's see, this group need how many users? Okay, I need 1000 threads. Okay, total 1000 count, right? And first wait for 10 seconds, don't start. I am saying okay, wait for 10 seconds. Okay, let's give the count to 10 itself. 10 threads enough, 10 users are ready, but before that I want to wait for 5 seconds. See, that graph is getting changed. It actually showing us what you are trying to simulate. It's waiting for 5 seconds and then quickly starting for 10 users. Okay, but I don't want to start immediately. I want to ramp up it. First wait for 5 seconds, then start how many? Let's say then start first 3 threads. Okay, see, it waited for 5 seconds, then 3 threads it will start. Thereafter next add how many dash threads every dash seconds. Next add 3 threads for every 3 seconds. Okay, see, we are making a script in such a way that, see, in real time also total 1000 users will not log in at a time. For example, it's 9 a.m. sharp, okay, which about banking side people will start. First 10 people will have come, thereafter wait for few seconds, add few more people, wait for few more seconds, just okay, make it as a real time situation, right? So how it happens in real time, the same way if you set up like this and you run your script, load also will simulate in the similar way. First it will wait for 5 seconds, then it will push 3 seconds in 3 login users into the application. Thereafter it waits for 3 seconds, and for every 3 seconds it will send 3 users. Like that it will complete 10. Okay, so time, then hold load for 60 seconds. Okay, once everything is wrap up, hold load in the completely for 1 minute. Okay, now you see it waited for 5, thereafter for every 3 seconds 3 and 6 few are added, and again 9 few are added, at finally 10, everything is set. Okay, so at the 10th second all are up, and hereafter I am saying to hold the load. Here it is 31 seconds. Okay, I am saying to hold load for 60 seconds, exactly 1 minute. 1 minute 31 seconds hold is getting loaded. Okay, sorry, load got hold for 1 minute. So this is how the real situation works. Finally, even stopping, don't stop immediately everything. Step by step, stop 5 threads for every 1 second. Okay, even you simulate that situation too. 3 seconds. Okay, stop 5 seconds for every 2 seconds, so that in 4 seconds all will get closed. Okay, you can see that information after 2 seconds its graph is getting continued, again it getting closed. Okay, this is the graph of your parameters. Okay, now run this. It will work as in a similar way. Okay, now you need to have Mercury website. Let's copy that here. Okay, let's see the view result tree as well, something listener like that. Cool. So in this thread group it will run website and you can see results here. Right, okay, all set. Let's disable this. Okay, you can disable the previous thread group by right clicking disable, so that it will not run when you run your script, only this will run now. Okay, view results tree, and okay, or let me put add listener active threads over time. Let's see this listener, because this will clearly give us what we are trying to explain. This will come only with additional plugin. Okay, active threads over time. Let's watch it here, the output. Right, so chart rows. Okay, it's waiting for 5 seconds first, thereafter it started. See that how it's growing. Okay, the way we started, you can see the graph happening all around, and view results tree all are getting passed because we have put the load very less, so there will not be any problem. See, that's how the script is getting increased. So these are active threads. So right now all are active. See, number of active threads. Okay, at finally at 10th second, number of active threads are 10. So all are active now and they are performing the operation. See the way it got grown up. Sorry, it is similar in the way we have said this. See this graph. So this is our expected. Okay, this is expected graph, and actual graph is also in the same style. Okay, so that means the way we have set our parameters, the even in the actual it's performing the similar way. It's starting for 5 seconds and thereafter step by step 2 seconds for every 3 what all. Okay, let me go, I forgot it. Okay, we are just for every 3 seconds we are adding 3 threads, and finally once everything is up we are putting load for 60 seconds. Thereafter again for every 2 seconds we are stopping 5 threads. Same situation, same graph, and that's it. You can see that at 5th second graph started, it's blank at first second. This is actual result, this is the expected when you put a parameters. You can see that both matches, that means it executed successfully. Okay, so this is how you can see how the threads are performing over time, right? So it's up to you what you use in your workplace. It's all depends upon the test plan you prepare for performance testing, and based upon the test plan inputs you get from your higher authority, you will prepare test cases. So my intention is to tell you that there is the plugin, the stepping thread group, with which you can do more efficiently putting a load on application. Okay, it really simulates the how we work and practically, right? So that's about this session.